Riven Publishing 2025. Written and created by Dave E. Frank, all rights reserved.
From the book, Stories and Stogies, Lies, and the Occasional Half-Truths from Old Red.
Chapter 1. Songbirds Tell No Tales. Monte Cristo No. 2, Cuba. Paired with an unlabeled pour from under the bar in Cartagena. Old Red sits back in a teak rocker on the second-floor porch of a crumbling inn just outside Cartagena. The shutters complain in the wind. Salt rides the breeze. Diesel drifts up from the street. Laughter trickles in from a back alley domino game, maybe 3 blocks off. Red smoking a Monte Cristo No. 2, cut clean, burning even, pepper up front, cream on the finish. It's the kind of cigar that doesn't rush you, it waits. He sips from a glass with a chipped rim, bourbon, unlabeled, poured from beneath the bar without a word. His eyes scan the rooftops like he's expecting a ghost or an old debt.
There was a man in Barranquilla. Name was Emiliano. Small man. Wore too many rings. Talked like a priest. Could lie like one if he wanted. Managed an aviary of songbirds who carried secrets. The aviary wasn't on any map. You had to go through a pawn shop, past a broken jukebox that only played boleros when it was working, and up a back stairwell.
Old Red exhales slow. Smoke curls under the rafters, clings like something unresolved.
Emiliano told me when he whistled, the birds flew right to him.
Another sip of bourbon. Red's smile flickers briefly.
He proved it. Took me up to his rooftop aviary. Finches, nightingales, tiny things filled with songs. He whistled. One flew straight to his hand.
He taps ash into a potted plant that gave up weeks ago.
Those birds were in hung cages, but weren't really caged. They stayed because they wanted to.
A long pull from the cigar. Smoke slides off like it's headed somewhere.
Emiliano named them, but not like pets. Aliases. One he called the widow. Another, the judge, after a magistrate who shot a man. Sounds strange, but the birds knew their names.
Red chuckles, then coughs through the smoke.
Told me, red birds can go where men won't. Said he used them to carry secrets in the form of warnings, payoffs, confessions, all in their feathers. One of the birds, yellow throat, pretty thing, never sang. Emiliano said it carried grief. I think the grief it carried was Emiliano's. He sent it to a woman in Caracas once with a folded note. Never said what secret was written on it.
Red looks out into the dark like she might be there.
That bird came back a week later, feathers stained red. Emiliano never whistled again.
Red lights the second half of the Monte Cristo. You can tell he's not finished. With the cigar or the story.
Then without a word, Emiliano vanished. No note, no signs of a struggle. Cages empty, birds gone. I think he ran. Someone was trying to get to him. My guess? The secrets those birds carried started to ruffle too many feathers.
He finishes the glass, sets it down, pours himself another, like a gentleman.
Funny thing, some nights I still hear those songbirds in the distance. Their songs help me sleep.
Red takes a sip. He leans in, quieter.
Before his disappearance, Emiliano told me, Red, people tell lies. Songbirds will tell you everyone's secrets. if you know how to listen.
Cigar notes: Monte Cristo number 2, Cuba. Torpedo shape, smooth, balanced draw. Notes of cedar, spice, and quiet menace. Best smoked while enjoying the sounds of nature.